Dear Queen Sarian, thank you for the recent shipment of books. I've long since finished the ones I brought with me. I was delighted to see you included the latest collection of Shades of Dusk. You know me so well. I did keep it out of sight from our entourage. I can't imagine what my brother would say if he caught me blushing over such a tawdry work. Please find in my correspondence our first batch of notes on the flora and fauna of the Holy Woods. The collection at the Abbey has proven quite inadequate. I've begun to suspect some of them might have been outright fiction. For example, I have yet to see a single horse with a horn on its head. There are, however, little blue creatures that resemble grumbling mushrooms. I don't recall any mention of them at all. I suppose it's possible that the blue fungus ate all the horned horses. I'll need to test this hypothesis. I'm sure one of your guards will be happy to loan me a charger and some glue. Speaking of my research, the next time you send us supplies, would you be able to include Kerbel's A Brief Treatise on Successful Personal Interactions? It's clearly been too long since I've read it because I've had no success at all befriending the local peasants. Just yesterday, I asked one of the herdsmen a simple 12-part question on taxonomy of a local fruit-bearing shrub, and all he said in reply was, and I quote, "They's good eating. Wait until they turn blue." It's in my quarters. 6th bookcase from the door along the right-hand wall, 3rd shelf from the top. Whoever fetches it will need a ladder. Your faithful student, Raina Talund.